Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of making money online from the comfort of your own home. If you're looking to supplement your income or even replace your day job, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Number 1. Choosing your path. Step 1 in your online money-making journey is to choose your path. There are several options like freelancing, online tutoring, affiliate marketing, and more. Take some time to assess your skills and interests to find the best fit for you. Number 2. Setting up your space. Creating a conducive workspace is crucial. Find a quiet, well-lit area where you can focus. Make sure you have all the necessary tools like a computer, high-speed internet, and any software relevant to your chosen online venture. Number 3. Freelancing. Freelancing is a fantastic way to offer your skills and services to clients worldwide. Platforms like Upwork and Freelancer connect you with clients seeking everything from writing and graphic design to programming and digital marketing. Number 4. E-commerce and dropshipping. If you're into selling, consider starting an e-commerce store. You can sell products directly or explore dropshipping, where you don't need to handle inventory. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce can help you set up your online store easily. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products from other companies. When someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. Research products or services you believe in, and platforms like Amazon Associates can get you started. Number 6. Content creation. Are you passionate about creating content? Whether it's writing a blog, filming YouTube videos, or podcasting, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and even selling digital products. Number 7. Online tutoring or courses. Sharing your expertise through online tutoring or courses is a fulfilling way to earn. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable let you create and sell your courses, while websites like VipKid connect you with students for online tutoring. Number 8. Staying consistent. Consistency is key in the online world. Whether you're building a brand on social media, growing a blog, or establishing an online store, regular updates and engagement will help you build an audience and customer base. Number 9. Managing finances. As your online income grows, it's important to manage your finances wisely. Keep track of your earnings, expenses, and taxes. Consider consulting a financial advisor to make sure you're making the most of your earnings. There you have it, folks. Making money online from home is entirely possible with dedication and the right strategies. Remember, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with consistent effort, you can build a sustainable online income. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel,